What is the one word for an involuntary vibration, as if from illness or fear? The correct answer is tremor. What is the one word for run away quickly? The correct answer is flee. What is the one word for more than enough in size or scope or capacity? The correct answer is ample. What is the one word for something that introduces what follows? The correct answer is prelude. What is the one word for move very slightly? The correct answer is budge. What is the one word for a feeling of extreme joy? The correct answer is jubilation. What is the one word for having high compaction or concentration? The correct answer is dense. What is the one word for able to exist and perform in harmonious combination? The correct answer is compatible. What is the one word for deliver to an enemy by treachery? The correct answer is betray. What is the one word for be full of or abuzz with? The correct answer is team. What is the one word for make a guess about what will happen in the future? The correct answer is predict. What is the one word for achieve with effort? The correct answer is accomplish. What is the one word for have its essential character? The correct answer is consist. What is the one word for the line at which the sky and earth appear to meet? The correct answer is horizon. What is the one word for avoid or try to avoid fulfilling, answering, or performing? The correct answer is evade. What is the one word for characterized by enmity or ill will? The correct answer is hostile. What is the one word for cause physical pain or suffering in? The correct answer is afflict. What is the one word for the greatest or most complete or best possible? The correct answer is maximum. What is the one word for command against? The correct answer is prohibit. What is the one word for select something or someone for a specific purpose? The correct answer is assign.